Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur video background in Capcut. I will just tap on my Capcut application and I want to just tap on a new project and I will be just selected this video. And what we're gonna do, I want to just export first of all this video, and now tap to done, and again just tap on it and selected this export video. And now what we're gonna do, I want to just find the video effects, so I want to just tap on this effects button, and here is the video effects. I will just tap on it easily. So I want to just in the search for the blur option simply. So you will be just selected blur of this one, and I want to just done it, and you will be just match the length of this video, this blur effect, and again you will be just tap to export in your gallery. Now what gonna do, you will be just tap on it a new project, and first of all you will just add a blur video which you will have been added. And now I will be just tap on this overlay option, and I want to just tap on it, selected the non-blur video. So make sure you will be just with the fingertips you will be just match it, and now you will be just slide right and just finding the remove background option. Here you will see and simply just find it. So here is the option in remove background. I want to just tap on it simply as well. And here is the left bottom corner option is the auto removal. I want to just tap on it simply. So I want to just tap on it, click. So here you will see the video is added with the blur, and I will be just play it. Tenía prisa y la hice corta, salgo de la norma. Ya tuve problemas porque nadie me soporta. Antes ya tenía ego, imagínate ahora. So in this way you will just have to blur video background in Capcut just quickly. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.